こんにちは。Welcome to Flavorful Kitchen. Today, Sheena is going to make garlic tofu steak rice bowl. This hearty rice bowl is bursting with the rich savory aroma of garlic. The soy sauce and sake-based garlic sauce is deeply flavorful, incredibly fragrant, and absolutely delicious. It's a perfect way to make tofu exciting and full of flavor. And when served over fluffy warm bed of rice, it's pure comfort in a bowl. Okay, let's get started. Slice 3 cloves of garlic very thinly. Cut 1 onion in half and slice it thinly. Chop some parsley for garnish. In a bowl, place 1.5 tablespoons of sake, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of sugar, and mix. Place 2 tablespoons of olive oil and the sliced garlic in the frying pan. Turn the heat to low and slowly cook the garlic, stirring and tossing until they turn crispy and lightly golden. Be careful not to let them burn. This slow cooking releases wonderful garlic aroma and flavors the oil. Transfer the crispy garlic slices to kitchen paper to drain, but keep the garlic-infused oil in the frying pan. Cut 300 grams of firm tofu into 4 blocks. Lay them on kitchen paper and gently press with another sheet to remove excess moisture. Remove the kitchen paper. Then lightly sprinkle both sides with salt and black pepper. Coat each piece evenly with 2 tablespoons of cornflour or potato starch. This will give the tofu a nice crisp surface and help it absorb the sauce. Add the tofu blocks to the frying pan with the remaining oil and fry until golden on both sides. Once done, transfer them to a plate and set aside. Using the same frying pan, stir-fry the sliced onions until they soften and develop a nice color. Move the onions to one side of the pan and return the tofu blocks. Pour in the sauce and gently toss everything together until well coated. Be quick, this sauce can burn easily. Once the tofu is nicely glazed, remove from the heat. Now, let's assemble the rice bowl. Place 1 serving of steamed plain short grain rice in a bowl. Spread the sautéed onion over the rice. Then arrange the tofu steaks on top. sprinkle with the crispy garlic slices and garnish with the chopped parsley. できた! Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said. The tofu is beautifully coated in that fragrant soy garlic sauce. The crispy garlic chips add a nice crunch, and the sweet caramelized onions bring so much depth. And when everything comes together with a warm rice, it's just absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching Flavorful Kitchen. ありがとう! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye bye! またね!